Good day, everybody. It's Dr. A back in his garden. It's February, and boy, I know this is early for some of you in the snow belt, but I wanted to show you a couple of these hellebores. I know we're hellebored out probably. It's getting worse than euchres, I guess, the number of hellebores out there. But this is part of the Frost Kiss series, and you might notice the variegated foliage. The leaves are thick, they're leathery, they don't lose water, and they're also very pretty regardless if there's flowers or not. This is one called Rihanna's Ruby. Rihanna's Ruby. If you go to any wonderful place that you know that has these good hellebores, it'll have this one as well. Early, beautiful, flowers straight up. Sure makes my garden look good at this time of year because it looks pretty lousy otherwise. Anyway, enjoy the garden. Enjoy the hellebores, enjoy Rihanna. All the best.